Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching Save Water, Class 3, EVS, Part 4, Chapter 13. In Part 3, I have explained to you about the water cycle. So, what is water cycle? It's a natural phenomenon that maintains the balance of water and causes the rains. So that was in the part 3, and also we had come to know the process of water cycle in part 3. So in part 4 we have the exercise part. So before getting into the exercise part, let us remember some important points in this lesson fully. So these points I have already explained to you in all the parts. So now let's read it. Okay, you also should read after me. Okay, so we can solve the exercise part. Understood? So our earth is made up of land and water. Second point is there are many countries in the world that have started facing shortage of water. Should know the important points. So third point, we can save water by reusing it whenever possible. Fourth point, we should always take bath with a bucket and a mug rather than with a shower. Fifth point, the leaking pipes and overflowing tanks should be repaired. Sixth point, water shortage means the availability of limited quantity of water. Seventh point, many houses in village do not have pipes. Eighth point, water treatment plant cleans the water for reuse. Okay. So ninth point, rainwater harvesting is the technique in which rainwater is diverted to a pit or tank. So it is collected for later use for watering plants like that. Okay. So the 10th point is water cycle is a natural phenomenon that maintains the balance of water and causes rains. So now we had remember some of the important points. So the first main is tick the correct option. So the percentage of fresh water on earth is dash. So the options are 3%, 2%, 1%. What is the answer, children? You have to tell me. That is 1%. Only 1% of fresh water is there. Okay. So the percentage of fresh water on earth is 1%. Okay. So the second question. To water the plants, we should use water from kitchen, bathroom, both of this. So both of this we can use the water. Third question, availability of limited quantity of water means water storage, water shortage, none of this. So the answer is water shortage. So the availability of limited quantity of water means water shortage. Okay, children? Okay. Now fourth question. Reusing of water by cleaning through machines is known as dash. A. Water treatment, water wastage or cleanliness. What is the answer? So the answer is water treatment. Reusing of water by cleaning through machines is known as water treatment. Okay. So the fifth question, children. So it is a technique in which rainwater is diverted to a pit or tank? So the options are water cycle, rainwater harvesting, or none of this. What is the answer? So the option is B. It is rainwater harvesting. Is a technique in which rainwater is diverted to a pit or tank. Okay. So the sixth point, when water gets heated up by the sun, it changes into dash, water vapor, clouds, or droplets. What is the answer, children? It turns to water vapor. So when water gets heated up by the sun, it changes into water vapor. Good, children. So summary, this is just an exercise part and we should know the water percentage, that is only 1%, and also we should always reuse the water to save water. And water shortage also we came to know what is water shortage and water treatment. Okay, in this lesson fully. Question section. First question, write 5 steps to reuse water by your own words. How can we reuse the water? And the second question, how can water be saved while cooking food? So you can write. Third question, write any 2 ways to reduce wastage of water. Fourth question, draw the picture of water cycle. That process I have showed you. You have to draw that. Fifth question, is water cycle is a continuous process? You have to answer it. So these some questions may be of full lesson. You may see, you have to see full part which I have done this lesson and do answer this. Okay. Okay, children. So this is the exercise part. Write down all these questions and answer it. And also you have to practice it always. Okay. Thank you.